So let's say you got some photos and video recording clips from your live feed. So here's how you can export and share them from a Xiaomi C700 Smart Camera easily. So further, open the app, go to your live feed, and here simply tap on Storage Management. Your recordings are stored either on the cloud or on SD card. In that case, you will need to download them first. We have a video on that and you can check it out if you need it. Otherwise, just go to Local, and then all your recordings or snapshots will be stored in here. Just tap on the photo or video they're going to share. And from here, before sharing, if you want, you can see a preview of that. And then here's the share button. Just tap on it. And all these sharing sources and options like chat, social media, Bluetooth, mail would show up in here. Just select where and how you want to share the clips. And depending where you're sharing it, like we're sharing some recordings through Messenger, just choose the specific person and then just hit send. And apart from that, all the photos, videos, and recordings are automatically available to your phone's gallery as well. And if you want, you can also share them from there if it's easier for you. Thanks for watching.